my cup here. So now I only left one end. Getting ready for the beach running. I was thinking I would go a little bit early, but it's getting late because I've been lazy and I have planned for tomorrow trip to Hoi An. That's why it takes a little bit longer. But now I have to be rushed. I have to rush going out for a run, then breakfast, then go to take a walk a little bit at the bridge again. I will be this outfit all day today, all morning. On my way to the beach run.
I finished having my late breakfast. It's like brunch, and now I'm searching here drinking a juice, the lime juice. I think it's a little bit late for going to the water now, but I'm going to go still because look, I wear like water sport today. So today is gonna be the beach day, and when my food a little bit lesser in my stomach, I go to play with the beach. I also don't bring my tripod. Not sure if I can record the video, but anyway, I will do the short video. I finally found the real and delicious phone noodle just now. I'm here almost 2 days. I mean, there are many Vietnamese food, but phone noodle is the most popular one. The noodle that I have been tried near the hotel, also Vietnamese style, of course, but I don't know, I have never tried before. So I was looking for the good and the real phone noodle, but then yesterday evening I just had the Italian food, which is also really nice. Tonight, yeah, have to see what I'm gonna have for the dinner for tonight. So this is very good for photo spot. Many people they like taking picture. I also got some picture already. I asked the staff help me. I like it.
I'm going to swim now. My skin is become very dark and a little bit itchy already, but I still gonna go to play.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone. Oh my goodness. This time I play water really seriously and it's really fun. Look look at this, the wave outside when we go at the outside, it looks like it's really deep, but then when you slowly go inside, it's not really deep, and it's only like deep on my knee or a little bit up my knee. That's all. I'm sure some of you who are expert at the beach wave might be better, know better. But for me, this is how I experience now. And then the wave here also not too strong, like badly when I was in Phuket. In Phuket, you know, some of the waves are super strong. Well, maybe it's also because it was my first time at the beach playing with the wave, and I haven't know how to play. That's why I look is really strong. But then now I play with it, I go like really deep and innocently and deep. It's really fun. But the only thing is when I play for so long, my leg right here become pain. I mean become tired, not like pain. And one funny thing about me playing with the wave now is I lost one of my cup here. So now I only left one and I don't have my cup anymore. Another side, I lost one of my tape, and yeah, it's really cool, really nice experience. Actually, I realized this in my traveling. I have never stayed long in the wave play like this in the past, and now it's good. It's also because I travel for myself. I can do whatever I want. I can spend all my time buying what I want. I was about to show you the grab. It's going down in the hole like this. The hole is here. It's really fun. Even it's very hot. I don't feel any hot anymore. Because look at my style. I really cover, protect of the sun. Only my head I need to wear this one. Yeah, I really enjoy myself, you all know. And thank you everyone for watching me. Yeah, if you are someone who confusing like when to travel and you have to waiting for someone, or yeah, it will take time to happen. So just go solo like I'm doing now. I just come solo by myself, and yeah, this is really my very first time solo travel to outside of the country. I'm gonna walking back to the hotel now. Here we go at the main road. It's really convenient, you know. This is the beach and opposite is the main road, and a little bit like 10 minutes into my hotel already. I will drop my hotel pin in the comment. If you come to visit Da Nang, you can also stay at this area. And wow, this is the beach food here. Maybe I should buy water. Oh no, I have water a lot already. Just go straight to the room. I have some work to do. Guys, after about 9 minutes, it shows in the map 7 minutes walking, and now I'm already in my hotel lane. Now heading to the hotel, and yeah, gonna do some walk. Going straight to the beach. I'm walking this way, and then now arrive back to the hotel. This one is the hotel, and in all this street they are all about the food. Look, different food, massage, convenience store, another food. Very good location. Okay. Having another good time in the shower with a hot shower.